Okay, let us start the session. Today we are going to start trigonometric identities based multiple choice questions from chapter number 8. So let us start with the first question. Question number 1, if x sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta is equals to sine theta cos theta is equals to x sine theta is equals to y cos theta, then we have to find the value of this. Accordingly, we have to select the correct answer. So x sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta is equals to sine theta cos theta is given. Now what we will do, we will take one sine theta from sine cube theta and one cos theta from cos cube theta. So we'll get this step. Now we are going to replace y cos theta. So we can replace it by
X sine
theta. Right. Now from these two, what is common?
X sine
theta. Right. If we take x sine theta common, we'll get sine square theta plus cos square theta. Right. So the value of this is, so we'll get x sine theta is equals to sine theta cos theta. So sine theta we can cancel, and we'll get x is equals to cos theta. Right. Now what is given, that x sine theta is equals to y cos theta is given. So what we will do, we will substitute the value of x. Right. If we substitute the value of x, so what you will get? Cos theta
sin.
Right. Cos theta sin theta is equals to y cos theta. Right. So यहाँ पे कुछ cancel हो रहा है? Cos theta. Right. So we'll get y is equals to sin theta. Now we have to find the value of x square plus y square. Right. So that will be cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now what is the value of this one? 1. Right. So which is the correct option?
Option C.
Option C. Right. So in exam also, no need to follow each and every step. You can skip also. So जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने नहीं लिखा कि this implies y is equals to sin theta. That is not required. Okay. क्योंकि हम लोग को जितना जल्दी solve करके correct option tick करना, that is our target. Okay. So now we are moving towards the next question. If cos a plus cos square a is equals to 1, then sin square a plus sin to the power 4a is equals to question mark. So let us start with what is given. We have to shift cos square theta to cos square a to this side. So it will become 1 minus cos square a. What is 1 minus cos square a?
Sin square a.
Very good, sin square a. So now see, sin square a, in place of sin square a we can substitute cos a. So अब यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो जो दिया हुआ है, what is given? The left hand side, sin to the power 2a, sin square a plus sin to the power 4a. So this is sin square a and this is sin square a whole square. So in place of sin square a we can write cos a. In place of sin to the power 4a we can write cos square a. And the value of this is already given in the question. What is the value? 1. Right. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B. Right. So this is question number 2. So total 20 questions hai. So let us move toward the next question. The value of sin cube theta plus cos cube theta upon sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta cos theta is dash. So let us start with the what is given. So this is in the form of a cube plus b cube. What is the formula of a cube plus b cube? Factors. Factorization formula.
A plus B into A square plus B square plus AB.
Minus AB. Okay. So very good. So a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. So see, we have applied the formula, this formula, a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. अब यहाँ पे कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है? Sin theta plus cos theta. ये पूरा कैंसिल होगा. And what is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1. Right. So we are going to replace this also by 1. Because sin square a plus cos square is equals to 1. कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है और यहाँ पे?
Sin theta cos.
Right, sin theta cos theta. So finally we are going to get 1. So what is the correct option?
Option A.
Option A, right. So this is the third question. Now we are moving toward question number 4. The value of sec a into 1 minus sin a into sec a plus tan a is dash. So सबसे पहले हम लोग को इसको simplify करना पड़ेगा. So now I would like to change every term in terms of sine and cos. So how will you write sec A?
1 by cos A.
Very good, 1 by cos A. So this also 1 by cos A. What is tan A? How will you write?
Sin A by cos A.
Sin A upon cos.
Very good, sin A upon cos A. अब यहाँ पे LCM ले लेंगे. Both the denominators are same, so this will be 1 plus sin A, and here already it is there 1 minus sin A upon cos A. दोनों multiply करेंगे तो ये वाला step मिलेगा. Any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Okay. Now 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A will become 1 minus sin square A. Now what is 1 minus sin square A?
Cos square A.
Right.
Square A.
1 minus sin square A is cos square A. So final answer is
1.
1. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 5. The value of 9 sec square A minus 9 tan square A is dash. So first what we will do, we will take 9 common. So now what is the value of sec square A minus tan square A?
1.
1, right. So 9 into 1 is 9, and the correct option is
Option B.
option B, right. So let us start 6th question. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta is equals to dash. Now here also we are going to change all the terms in sine and cos. So how will you write sine theta? Tan theta. How will you write tan theta?
Sin theta upon cos theta.
Very good. Sine theta upon cos theta. Sec theta.
1 by
1 by cos
1 by
theta.
cos
Cos
theta.
theta.
Cot theta.
Cos theta by sin theta.
Very good. Cos theta by sin theta. Cosec theta.
1 by
1
1 upon sin theta.
Right. So we are replacing. Okay. Now we have to take LCM. So ये वाला cos theta हो जाएगा, and this will become sin theta. So we are getting this step. Any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Okay. So यहाँ पे we will take cos theta plus sin theta as one term and 1 as second term. See, this is A plus B and this is A minus B form. A plus B into A minus B. So it will be A square minus B square, and the denominator will be cos theta into sin theta. This step is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will expand this one using A plus B whole square formula. So A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now what is the value of this?
1.
1.
1, right. So we will replace 1, then we can do directly also this we can cancel. ऐसा नहीं करना है क्योंकि MCQ है, इसलिए हम लोग कोई स्टेप स्किप कर सकते हैं. सो ये दोनों को हम लोग रिमूव कर सकते हैं, एलिमिनेट करेंगे तो हम लोग को ये मिलेगा. सो अगेन कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है.
Cos theta sin theta.
Cos theta
Right.
sin theta.
So what is the final answer?
2.
2. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. So now let us start question number 7. Sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A is equals to dash. So here also I would like to change every term in terms of sin and cos. So यहाँ पे तो already sin के form में दिया हुआ है. Now how will you write sec A?
1 by cos A.
1 by
1
cos A.
upon cos
Tan
A.
A.
1 by sin A upon cos A.
Very good. Sin A upon cos A. Now take LCM here. So because denominators are same, so we will add the numerator. So we'll get this step. Any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A कितना हो जाएगा?
1
1
minus
minus
sin.
sin square A.
Very good.
square A.
1 minus sin square A. Now how will you replace 1 minus sin square A?
Cos
Cos
square.
square
Cos
A.
square A. Very good. Because cos square A is equals to 1 minus sin square A. So what is the final answer?
Cos A.
C.
Cos
Very
A.
good.
Right. Which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D. Right. So this is 7th question. Now we are moving toward question number 8. 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A is equals to dash. So first what we will do, we will write cot in terms of tan. How will you write?
1 by tan A.
Right. 1 by tan A होता है. So it will be 1 upon tan square A. Now take LCM. If you take LCM, you will get in the denominator tan square A plus 1 upon tan square A. Now see 1 plus tan square A, 1 tan square A plus 1 will be cancelled और ये न्यूमरेटर में आ जाएगा क्योंकि जब हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो रेसिप्रोकल लेना है, right? So we'll get tan square A. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D, right. So now we are moving toward question number 9. Root over 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A is equals to question mark. So we have to simplify first. So first of all, we will rationalize the denominator. So what is the rationalizing factor of 1 minus sin A?
1 plus
1
sin.
plus
1
sin
plus
A.
sin A, right? क्योंकि ये रूट में, इसलिए हम लोग रूट के साथ में लिखेंगे. Okay. So now see, this is root over 1 plus sin A and this also root over 1 plus sin A. So root will be eliminated. So we'll get 1 plus sin A only. And the denominator will get root over 1 minus sin square A. Whether this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे एक स्टेप हम लोग और लिख सकते थे. कैसे? इसको रूट न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में स्प्लिट करके लिख सकते थे. बट जितना शॉर्ट कर सकते उतना शॉर्ट करना एमसीक्यू में, बिकॉज स्टेप्स आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. राइट. नाउ व्हाट इज 1 माइनस sin square A?
Cos square A.
Cos square A,
Square
right?
A.
And root over cos square A. किसी का माइक ऑन है देखो. आंसर देने के बाद ऑफ कर लिया करो, ठीक है? सो रूट ओवर cos square A will become cos A. अब इसको स्प्लिट कर लेते हैं. If you split, what you will get? 1 upon cos A plus sin A upon cos A. Now what is 1 upon cos A?
Secant A.
Okay, sin A upon cos A.
Tan A.
Tan A.
So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Right, option A. Option A is the correct one. Now we are moving toward question number 10, which is very similar to this question. 1 plus cos A upon 1 minus cos A over whole root is equals to question mark. So here also what we will do, we will rationalize the denominator. Okay. So पिछले क्वेश्चन में हम लोग ये रूट अलग किए थे, एक ही साथ रूट के अंदर भी कर सकते हैं हम लोग. So now this is 1 plus cos A whole square and this will become 1 minus cos square A. अभी रूट हटा दो. So this will become 1 plus cos A. And how will you write 1 minus cos square A?
Sin square A.
Right, very
Sin
good.
square A.
Right, अब हम लोग स्क्वायर रूट हटा देंगे. So we will get 1 plus cos A upon sin A. This step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now
Yes,
split. If you split, you will get 1 upon sin A plus cos A upon sin A. So 1 upon sin A is
Cosec A.
cosec A and this is
Cot A.
cot A. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. Now we are moving toward question number 11. Cos theta upon 1 minus tan theta plus sin theta upon 1 minus cot theta is equals to question mark. So here also we will write tan and cot in terms of sin and cos. So tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta and cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. Okay. अब denominator में LCM लो. So this will become cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta and this will become sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta. और यहाँ का जो डिनोमिनेटर का जो cos theta है वो ऊपर चला जाएगा. मैं एक स्टेप स्किप किया हूँ बिकॉज स्टेप्स आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. वेदर इट इज क्लियर और नॉट दैट यू हैव टू टेल. यहाँ पे भी जो साइन थीटा जो डिनोमिनेटर में बचेगा वो ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो यहाँ पे cos स्क्वायर थीटा हो गया, यहाँ पे sin स्क्वायर थीटा. वेदर दिस स्टेप इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now both denominators are not same. So what we will do, we will take minus common from here. तो ये sign change हो जाएगा. If we take minus common, okay? So minus common ले लिए. So whether this step is clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now both denominators are same. So now easy to take LCM. So we'll get cos square theta minus sin square theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. What is cos square theta minus sin square theta?
Tan.
No. Apply a square minus b square formula. We'll get
cos theta plus sin theta, cos theta minus sin.
very good. Cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta plus theta. कुछ cancel हो रहा है यहाँ पे?
Cos theta minus
Theta minus
Right.
sin
These
theta.
two will be cancelled, and we'll get final answer cos theta plus sin theta. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B.
Option B. Right. Okay. So now 12th question. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equals to question mark. So यहाँ पे जो ऑप्शन में सभी sec और tan के फॉर्म में है. And what is the denominator of sec theta? Cos theta. And what is the denominator of tan theta?
Cos.
Cos theta. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे? What we will do? We will divide all terms, okay, by cos theta first. Right? So let us start. This 2 will become 1. because if we are going to divide it by cos theta, ये हो जाएगा sin theta by cos theta, this will become 1 upon cos theta, and same in denominator. Whether this step is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What we did, we divided the numerator and denominator by cos theta, or we can write dividing each term by cos theta, right? So this will become tan theta minus 1 plus sec theta, tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta, right? अब यहाँ से minus 1 हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we will shift to this side, यहाँ पे, okay? थोड़ा सा rearrange कर लेंगे. Now how will you write 1? In terms 1 we can write in 3 form. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, sec square theta minus tan square theta, cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So which by which we are going to replace?
Sec
Sec
square
square
theta
theta
minus tan
minus
square
tan
theta.
Very good. Sec square theta minus tan square theta, क्योंकि बाकी सारे terms भी हम लोग को देखना है. Okay. Now sec square theta minus tan square theta के दो factors हैं. One is a plus b into a minus b, right? So a plus b means sec theta plus tan theta. So I'm skipping one step. So sec square theta minus tan square theta is two factors, sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. So we are going to take sec theta plus tan theta common. Okay. So whether this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
अगर ये common लिए तो यहाँ पे 1 बचेगा और यहाँ पे एक ही factor बचेगा. Now open the bracket. If you open the bracket, this will become plus. Okay, minus into minus, so plus tan theta हो जाएगा. ये step clear है?
Yes.
कुछ
Yes,
cancel हो
sir.
रहा है इसमें?
Tan
Tan
theta
theta minus sec theta plus 1.
Right. So what is left? Sec theta plus tan theta. So which is the correct option?
option
Option
A.
A.
Right, option A. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No,
sir.
sir.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 13. Root over 1 plus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta plus root over 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equals to question mark. So सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, रूट स्प्लिट कर लेंगे न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में. ओके. इस क्वेश्चन को कई लोग क्या सोचते हैं कि अलग अलग सॉल्व करके प्लस करेंगे, जैसे लेफ्ट फर्स्ट टर्म में रैशनलाइज कर दिए, सेकंड टर्म में रैशनलाइज कर दिए. ऐसा नहीं करना है. वी कैन टेक डायरेक्ट एलसीएम. ठीक है. अगर एलसीएम लेंगे तो देखो ये इससे इंटू होगा और ये इससे इंटू होगा, तो यहाँ पे स्क्वायर रूट हट जाएगा. हियर ऑल्सो square root will be eliminated and we are going to get in the denominator root over 1 minus sin square theta. Whether this step is clear to all of you if you take LCM?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. कुछ cancel हो रहा है न्यूमरेटर में? Sin theta.
1 plus sin theta.
Right. So we are going to get 2 upon root over 1 minus sin square theta. What is 1 minus sin square theta?
Cos square theta.
Cos
Very
square
good.
theta.
Cos
Cos
square
square
theta.
theta.
And root over cos square theta will become cos theta. So final answer 1 upon cos theta क्या होता है?
2 sec theta.
Right. Very good. 2 sec theta. So which option is the correct one?
Option
Option
C.
C.
Option C. Right. Okay. Now we are moving toward another question. If x is equals to a sin theta and y is equals to tan theta, y is equals to b tan theta. थोड़ा सा mistake हो गया यहाँ पे. Y is equals to b tan theta. Then the value of a square upon x square minus b square upon y square. So first what is given? X is equals to a sin theta. So यहाँ पे a upon x क्या आएगा बताओ? A upon x, because we required a upon x. A upon x.
1 by
1 by
sin
sin
theta.
theta. And what is 1 by sin theta?
Sec.
Very good.
theta.
Cosec theta.
Sec
Right.
theta.
Same thing we will do with this one. Y is equals to b tan theta. So b by y क्या होगा? 1 by tan theta.
1 by tan theta.
Right. What is 1 by tan theta?
Cot theta.
Cot theta.
Cot
Right.
theta.
Okay. Now we are going to take this expression. A square upon x square minus b square upon y square. This is nothing but cosec square theta plus minus cot square theta. What is the value of cosec square theta minus cot square theta?
1.
1. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A. Right. Okay. So now 15th question. If sin theta plus cos theta is equals to m and sec theta plus cosec theta is equals to n, then n into m square minus 1 is equals to question mark. सो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले एक्सप्रेशन लेके उसमें सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे. ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू सब्सटीट्यूट. सो the value of n is sec theta plus cosec theta, and m is sin theta plus cos theta, that we are going to substitute. Okay, so for this we will use a plus b whole square, and in the same step we are going to change sec theta also and cosec theta also. So sec theta को कैसे लिखेंगे?
1 by cos theta.
Very good, 1 by cos theta. And how will you write cosec theta?
1 by sin
Sin
theta.
Very
theta.
good, 1 upon sin theta. And sin theta plus cos theta whole square will become, it is a square plus b square minus plus 2ab. So sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Now what is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta?
1.
1.
1.
Okay, so these two will be we can cancel. एक step skip किया हूँ, substitute करके cancel करना है, ठीक है? That I'm going to eliminate. And what you will get if you take LCM here? Sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. Okay, so this step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
कुछ
sir.
cancel हो रहा है यहाँ पे?
Sin theta into cos theta.
Right, this we can cancel, and we'll get 2 times sin theta plus cos theta. Question में देखो sin theta plus cos theta क्या है?
M.
M. So this is equals to 2m. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. So now we are moving toward question number 16. If 3 sin theta plus 5 cos theta is equals to 5, then the value of 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta is 3 minus 3 plus minus 3, none of this. Okay. So इसमें एक छोटा सा ट्रिक क्या बता रहा हूँ. कभी भी ये क्वेश्चन आता है इस टाइप का, देखो ये 3 का जो sin थीटा का जो कोएफिशिएंट है, यहाँ पे cos थीटा का कोएफिशिएंट है, and the coefficient of cos theta is the coefficient of sin theta. यहाँ पे plus minus change है. So whenever such type of question, you immediately take the left hand side, the sum of square, right? The sum of square of the left hand side of both sides. So that is 3 sin theta plus 5 cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus 3 cos theta whole square. So whenever you will get such situation, you have to do this one. I mean to say this one. Okay, now what is the square of this one? 9 sin square theta plus 25 cos square theta plus 30 sin theta cos theta, right? And what we are going to here, 25 sin square theta plus 9 cos square theta minus 30 sin theta cos theta. Whether this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Anything is cancelling?
30 sin theta cos
Yes,
theta.
these two will be cancelled, and we can take we can add these two also, or 9 you can take common. See, in two ways you can do. Either you can add the sin square theta terms, so 34 milega, and cos square theta also 34, or you can take 9 common from sin square theta cos square theta, right? Both way you can do. So this is 1, this is also 1, so you will get 9 plus 25. So what is 9 plus 25?
36.
24.
34, right? So now what is the value of this? It is already given, 5 square. So 5 square plus 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta whole square is equals to 34. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is 5 square? 25. You shift 25 to this side, so it will become minus 25. 34 minus 25. It is equals to
9.
9, right? Now what is 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta? If you take square root.
Plus minus
3.
वेरी गुड, प्लस माइनस 3. तो इसमें कई लोग है ना जल्दी में 3 टिक कर देते हैं सॉल्व करके, क्योंकि प्लस माइनस दे विल नॉट टेक. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज सी बिट. ओके, एनी ऑप्शन, एनी डाउट इन दिस क्वेश्चन?
No, sir.
Right. So now we are moving towards the 17th question. Sin theta upon sec theta minus 1 plus tan theta upon sec theta plus 1. See, the same question we did in other way in the regular class. Tan theta को मैंने common लिया था, right? तो इसको दूसरे तरीके से मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको. First, you can take, you can write every term in terms of sin and cos. So how will you write tan theta?
Sin
Sin
theta.
theta by cos
Right.
theta.
And sec theta you can write
Cos theta.
1 upon cos theta. So you will get this step. Whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And now take LCM. If you take LCM, so you will get this step. Now cos theta you can cancel. Okay, so finally what we are going to get, sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Now we can take LCM. If you take LCM, this is to be multiplied with sin theta and this to be multiplied with sin theta. And the denominator we are going to get 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, कुछ cancel हो रहा है न्यूमरेटर में?
Sin theta cos
Sin
theta.
Right,
theta.
sin theta cos theta. And we are going to get 2 sin theta upon 1 minus cos square theta. What is 1 minus cos square theta?
Sin
Sin
theta.
square theta.
Right,
Sin square theta.
because 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta, so we are getting 2 sin theta upon sin square theta. And 1 sin theta will be cancelled and we are getting 2 upon sin theta. So 1 upon sin theta क्या होता है?
Cosec theta.
Cosec theta, right. So which option is the correct one?
Option
D.
D.
Option D, right. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Now we are moving toward question number 18. Cos cube theta plus sin cube theta upon cos theta plus sin theta plus cos cube theta minus sin cube theta upon cos theta minus sin theta is equals to question mark. This is very easy question and very good question also. Here we have to use a cube plus b cube formula. Here we have to use a cube minus b cube formula, right? So a cube plus b cube का formula क्या होता है? Anyone?
A plus B into
A
A
plus
square plus B square minus AB.
Okay, fine. A plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. What is a cube minus b cube formula? A minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Okay. So now we are going to apply the formula. So we are going to get, this is the first, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and this is the second term, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. किसी को कोई डाउट है फॉर्मूला कैसे अप्लाई किए?
No, sir.
In first term, which is going to cancel?
Cos theta, sin theta.
Cos theta plus sin theta. In the second term, these two will be cancelled. Okay, right? And whatever we are going to get, that I'm going to write. Okay, so anything more you can cancel it?
Sin theta, sin
Yeah,
theta.
cos theta plus cos theta sin theta, right? And sin theta is 2 times sin square theta, cos square theta भी 2 times है. So we can take 2 common. This step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
what is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta?
1.
1, right? So 2 into 1 कितना हो जाएगा?
2.
2 into 1, sorry, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 है, so 2 into 1 will become 2. So which is the correct option?
D.
Option
Option
D.
D.
Option D, none of this. Okay, so now we are moving toward question number 19. 2 more questions are left. So 1 plus cos theta minus sin square theta upon sin theta into 1 plus cos theta is equals to question mark. Right? So what we will do, first we will change sin square theta. How will you write sin square theta?
1 minus cos square theta.
Very good. 1 minus cos square theta. इसके दो factors हैं. You tell me what are the 2 factors of this?
1 plus
1
cos
plus
theta.
cos theta into 1 minus cos theta.
Very good. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay. Now we can take 1 plus cos theta from these two term. ले सकते हैं. यहाँ पे 1 बचेगा और यहाँ पे बचेगा 1 minus cos theta. And now because of this minus sign, this will become plus. So ये step अगर clear है तो फिर आगे बढ़ें. This step
Yes,
is
sir.
clear. 1 cancel and any कुछ और cancel हो रहा है इसमें?
1
1
plus
1
cos
plus
theta.
cos theta.
Right. So we will get only cos theta by sin theta. What is cos theta by sin theta?
Cot theta.
Cot theta. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D. Right. Now we are moving toward the last question of today's session. If 2x is equals to sec A and 2 by x is equals to tan A, then 2 times x square minus 1 upon x square is equals to question mark. So first what is given that I am going to write. 2x is equals to sec a and 2 upon x is equals to tan a. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, दोनों को पहले ऐड करेंगे. What we will do, we will add these two first and we will subtract also. Okay, adding and subtracting we will get this expression. अगर ये clear है तो आगे बढ़ें. 2x
Yes,
plus 2 by x is equals to sec a plus tan a, ये ऐड करने पे मिला. 2x minus 2 upon x is equals to sec a minus tan a, ये subtract करने पे मिला. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to multiply this two. Okay, multiplying this two we will get 2x plus 2 by x into 2x minus 2 by x left hand side and sec a plus tan a into sec a minus tan a. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
this
sir.
is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, and this is also in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so we will get a square minus b square. ये भी step clear है?
Yes, sir.
And what is the value of sec square a minus tan square a?
1.
1. Right. So now we will get this one is 4x square and this one 4 upon x square. Now what we can take common from these two?
4.
2.
We can take 4 common, right? ठीक है, यहाँ पे 2 छोड़ के यहाँ पे 2 लेके जाएंगे. Okay, so we'll get 1 by 2. Any doubt? So
No,
which
sir.
option is the correct one?
A.
Option A.
Option A. ठीक है, इसको दूसरे तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं. देखो मैं यहाँ पे शॉर्टकट तरीका बता रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड बाय 2 करेंगे. देखो ध्यान से जो मैं बता रहा हूँ, बिकॉज दिस इज द स्टेप्स व्हेन subjective if you have to solve in subjective question paper. Now shortcut, multiply divide by 2, you will get, ध्यान से देखो, 4x square minus 4 upon x square. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड बाय 2 किए इसी को. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस ओनली. एंड व्हाट इज 4x होल स्क्वायर? दिस इज नथिंग बट दिस इज sec square a, right? And what is 4 upon x whole square? 4 upon x square, this is nothing but this is tan square a. And what is sec square a minus tan square a?
1.
1. So we are getting 1 by 2. So ये वाला ज़्यादा easy है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt in this question?
No.
Okay. So this is the last question of today's session and last question of trigonometry MCQ question, because we have covered trigonometry ratio based questions, trigonometry ratio of some particular angles based questions, and trigonometric identities, right? So tomorrow we'll do coordinate geometry, first distance formula based questions. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.